Hello, my dear teachers and friends. I am Yukta Dishagas from Modern Degree College of Bulthana and I am studying in BSc second year. May the sun in his course visit no land more free, more happy, more lovely, and that's our country. So, we are celebrating here 75th anniversary of our independence. Firstly, wish you all the happy Independence Day. Behalf of this, our college organized poster presentation, and in this video I will discuss about 5G wireless technology. In this video I will discuss about 5G wireless technology, and I will cover here introduction to 5G, evolution from 1G to 5G, hardware and software of 5G, features, advantages, applications, and conclusion. Now, introduction to 5G. What is 5G and what does it offers? What is 5G? 5G stands for fifth generation wireless technology, complete wireless communication with almost no limitations. It can be called real wireless world. It has incredible transmission speed, higher performance, highest GB speed, and connect to new industries. What does it offers? Worldwide cellular phones, extraordinary data capabilities, high connectivity, more power and feature in handheld phones, more phone memory, more dialing speed, more clarity in audio and video. Then evolution from one generation to fifth generation, first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generation. First generation, developed in 1980s and complete in early 1990s, based on analog systems, speed up to 2.4 kbps. AMPS means Advanced Mobile Phone System was launched by the US and it was the first mobile system allows user to make voice calls in country. 2G, developed in late 1980s and completed in late 1990s, based on digital systems, speed up to 64 kbps, services such as digital voice and SMS more clarity. Semi-global faculty 2G are the handsets we are using today with 2.5G having more capabilities. 3G, developed between late 1990s and early 2000. Transmission speed from 125 kbps to 2 mbps. Superior voice quality, good clarity in video conference, email, PDA, information surfing, online shopping, banking, games, etc. Global roaming is available in 3G. 4G, developed in 2010, faster and more reliable than 3G, 2G, and 1G, speed up to 1000 Mbps, high performance, easy roaming, and low cost than others. 5G, next major phase of mobile telecommunication and wireless system. 10 times more capacity than others, accepted speed up to 1 Gbps, more faster and reliable than 4G, lower cost than previous generation. Here, hardware of 5G. 5G hardware uses UWB ultra wideband networks with higher BW at low energy levels. BW is of 4000 Mbps, which is 400 times faster than today's wireless networks. Uses smart antenna, uses CDMA, means code division multiple access. Software of 5G. 5G will be single unified standard of different wireless networks including LAN technologies. LAN, WAN, WWWW means Worldwide Wireless with unified IP and seamless combination of broadband, software defined radio, encryption, antivirus, high resolution of crazy cell phone users. Features of 5G: high resolution for crazy cell phone users by directional large BW, less traffic, 25 Mbps connectivity speed, enhanced and available connectivity just about the world. Uploading and downloading speed of 5G touching the peak up to 1 Gbps, better and fast solution. Advantage of 5G: data BW of 1 Gbps or higher, globally accessible, dynamic information access, available at low cost. Application of 5G: Wearable devices with AI means artificial intelligence capabilities, global networks, media independent hardware, radio resource management, VoIP means voice over IP enabled devices with sixth sense technology. So we are here on conclusion. 3G based on operator centric, 4G based on service centric, whereas 5G based on user centric. We have proposed 5G wireless concept designed as an open platform on different layers. The new upcoming 5G technology will be available in the market at affordable rates, high peak feature and much reliability than preceding technologies. Thank you.